Okay, number 5 presents a problem, and you need to isolate a radical. There's 2 radicals. Now, I'm not isolating 2 radicals, I'm isolating a radical. Which one you want to isolate, it's entirely up to you. The way I'm going to do this over here is I'm going to isolate the first radical, which is x plus 1, by subtracting the root of x minus 3 from both sides. What do you get? The root of x plus 1 equals 2 minus the root of x minus 3. I got the radical isolated. I'm going to raise both sides to the index, which is 2. The left side's very easy to do. What do you get? X plus 1. Let me do the right side, more difficult. I'll write it down for you. It's 2 minus that radical, and then 2 minus that radical. And it's far more difficult to deal with. So what do you get? X plus 1 equals, well, 2 times 2 is 4. Then you get minus 2 of those radicals, another minus 2 of those radicals, so it's minus 4 of those radicals. And last but not least, you get plus this over here. Again, my goal is to isolate a radical, but before I do that, I've got to simplify this guy. And this is a far more difficult question, as you can see right now. Let's see, 4 plus minus 3 is 1. I took care of those 2. I got plus x, and then I got minus 4 root x minus 3. I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides, and I'm going to subtract x from both sides. And you get 0 equals minus 4, the root of x minus 3. What I'm going to do now, divide both sides by minus 4. I'll write that down for you. I'm trying to isolate a radical, by the way. You get 0 equals the square root of x minus 3. What I'm going to do now, the radical's isolated. I'm going to raise both sides to the index, and that's going to be 2. So what do you get? 0 equals x minus 3, or x equals 3. I want to go back and check it, though. All right? And someone says, why do you want to check it? I want to see if I'm right. And where do you check it? Always check in the original. All right, let's check that out. And I'm thinking it's 3, right? Yeah, 3. So what do you get over here? Square root of 4. Plus the square root of 0. Does that equal 2? Well, the square root of 4 is 2, and square root of 0 is 0, and 0 plus 2 is, in fact, 2. I do recommend you'll also check it with the k, and make sure you're agreeing with the k. Thank you.